Hi everyone, I am Seema. Welcome to my channel Vegineva. Today I will be sharing vegan spicy tantan ramen recipe. This tantan ramen is spicy, incredibly tasty Japanese soupy ramen, deliciously balanced with hot spiciness from ryu, Japanese chili oil, and nutty sweetness from soy milk and sesame paste. This bowl of vegan tantan ramen is super comforting and satisfying. So let's start making. First we will make tofu crumble. For this you will need 100 grams of extra firm tofu. Crumble the tofu with your hands until it resembles minced meat. Now add 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Any other vinegar is also fine. Salt to taste, pepper half teaspoon. Mix it well. Now add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil or any other oil is fine. Mix. Now line a parchment paper on a baking tray and spread the tofu mixture evenly. Bake this tofu mixture for 20 minutes at 200 degrees or until golden brown. It should become a dry, crumbly mixture. Now we will make vegetable stock. For this, heat a large pot. Add 3 cups of water. Now add dry mushroom and kombu. If you don't have, you can skip, but I highly recommend using this as it enhances the flavor. Now add coriander stalk, garlic, ginger. Now cover and boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove all the veggies and keep aside the vegetable stock. Now we will boil the noodles. In a large pan, add water. Bring it to a boil. When water boils, add instant ramen noodle or any other noodle of your choice. Stir it occasionally with chopstick to loosen the noodles. Cook until done. Now drain the noodles and keep them aside. In the same pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add green onions, saute it for a minute. Add grated ginger, grated garlic. Saute till rawness goes. Now add 1 teaspoon of sesame paste. It is also called nerigoma in Japanese. If you don't have, you can add tahini or peanut butter. Now add 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of ryu, Japanese chili oil, 1 teaspoon sriracha. Mix it well. Now add the vegetable stock. Bring it to boil. Add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of cane sugar to balance the sourness, and your soup for the ramen is ready. Now for serving, take a deep bowl. add green onion, sesame seed, hot noodles, pour in warm soy milk. Now add the soup. Garnish it with green onion, boiled corn, sesame seed, tofu crumble, and finally garnish it with chili thread. Enjoy your vegan ramen. I hope you all will love this delicious simple ramen. If you do try this recipe, do let us know in comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more wonderful recipes. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay